It's not that deep right there.
Abby, what do you think? A lot of water?
Yeah, if you want to fight them up, you're going to get stuck in the middle. Like 100,000.
That's a lot of water.